Hey y'all, it's Sandy here, and it's currently November 27th on a Wednesday at about 10:30-ish at the time I'm recording this intro. Today I'm about to capture the required weekly test for the first time on my Midland WR-120 here. It's so beautiful. And of course, every time I try to capture something, I'm always never home, and that's a reflection of my face. Except it's the camera. What's up? So, and I'm also going to be recording it on my computer over here. Of course, I need to set that up. I never get things done. Anyways, I have no socks on. My hair is messed up. This is going to be great. Alright. Let's roll the clip.
Weather radio station KIG90. This is NOAA Weather radio station WNG04.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Oh my god!
Emergency alert system. This system was
Time is wrong, don't worry. There was like a lot of thunderstorms and stuff, but check out this is just...
40 miles an hour, decreasing to 15 to 20 miles.
It will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We now return to our regular programming. For the following area in Oregon.
Yep, so now it knows there's RWT, even though I missed half of it because I thought the test was off. Well, at least I know you work.
River Valley.
Okay, that's good.